A few simple procedures wouldn't be so simple if it wasn't for this next company. They've brought a whole new meaning to beauty in an innovative way.
Nearly 500,000 liposuction procedures take place each year. And with those kind of numbers, don't you want to know your doctors are using the best supplies known to man? Well, Microaire surgical instruments have been there every step of the way. For over 30 years, Microaire has been providing innovative surgical solutions, improving benefits for patients and doctors.
Microaire had its beginning some 30 years ago in Southern California based on the development of 4 air-driven handpieces that are used in hand, foot, and oral surgery. From there, our business grew, focusing on products used for cutting and resecting bone and tissue.
PAL stands for Power Assisted Lipoplasty. It was a revolutionary new instrument for the liposuction introduced by Microaire in 2000.
Whether it's a bit of baby fat that just won't go away, or you're looking to have back your before baby look, Microaire's PAL liposuction instrument makes it possible with precision.
The key feature of the PAL is its high-speed reciprocating action, which allows the surgeon to gently and effectively remove fat. The reciprocating action has an added benefit in that it requires much less force from the surgeon. This allows them to concentrate on the job at hand, which is contouring the body.
With the PAL system, we find that the gentle reciprocating motion that goes back and forth into the tissue really allows us to direct the cannula exactly where we want it, thereby giving a better body sculpting procedure to the patient.
Because of the gentle method of extraction with the PAL, we found out there's a lot less swelling, bruising, and pain associated with it, and a greatly reduced recovery time for the patient.
No heat is generated by Microaire's PAL, and it's been proven to be the best solution in more ways than one.
You really take the option of hurting your patient by thermal injury off the table.
One of the additional added benefits to PAL is that patients can now remain awake during their procedure.
The nature of the PAL allows the procedure to be done under local anesthesia so the patient's awake. The benefit of this, it's less hazard and risk to the patient as opposed to going under general anesthesia.
I find that when my patients are awake, we have a great time in talking back and forth about their experience, what they're feeling, and it also allows me as a cosmetic surgeon to really experience what my patient really wants.
Microaire's commitment to quality and service has resulted in specialized instruments that have changed the way doctors operate.
In addition to products for reconstructive and cosmetic surgery, Microaire also produces a complete line of power instruments for orthopedic, foot, hand surgery, total joint replacement, and we also have an endoscopic carpal tunnel release system for treatment of carpal tunnel syndrome.
This is the only way to go, in my opinion, because at the end of the day, what's most important in practicing medicine is to do no harm and to do what's best for your patient. By employing the PAL system, what we have found here is that we're able to have less recovery time. The patient can come in on a Thursday or Friday, they're back to work on Monday, and that's really what their clients are looking for. Overall, it's just a lot better system for our patient.
With Microaire surgical instruments having brought us PAL, you can expect perfection every time. Beauty with confidence. It's the Microaire way of doing business.